Hey, what's up? It's Jason, aka J Million NYC here. Just here to do a quick review on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 Aramid Standing cover. Most of those that got the Galaxy Z Fold 2 know that it didn't come with any type of protection. With it being a full glass device, you may want to add a little something to keep your $2,000 investment intact. So looking here at the Aramid standing cover, it's supposed to be like a carbon fiber. It's real thin. There really isn't much to it. It has a little kickstand here, but that's pretty much it. Don't think it's gonna give you super protection on your Z Fold 2. Me personally, I just wanted something to keep the protection of the glass, so in case I want to put it down, and because you have this big old thick camera bump here, and putting it straight down, it most likely gonna cause some damage or some scratches to it eventually. But as far as the case itself, it's very simple. You just snap it on basically, and that's it right there. That's all you got. So with this, it adds a little protection for the back. So now if you put it down, there's no worries of getting that camera scratched up based on the protection around the outer lens. There isn't much to it though, other than that. It doesn't protect. It doesn't protect the other side of the glass, of course, because it's just for one part of it. You do get a kickstand of sorts though, basically on it. So if you want to watch some media, you can put that straight down. It is rather flimsy though, so if you decide to move it, push it back some, it's most likely gonna fall, which I've had multiple times. But other than that, I mean, if you're looking for something slim, thin, that doesn't add too much bulk to the Galaxy Fold 2, which is a little beefy and bulky as it is, something you may be interested in. But I will point out that this case is $60. It's $60, and it's kind of hard to get from a lot of places. I mean, some stores are sold out of it. Luckily, I walked into a T-Mobile store last week and I was able to just grab one. It was one on the shelf, but there isn't really anything online that gets you there like next day. I know on Samsung.com it was maybe about a week. T-Mobile website was sold out, and Verizon was about a week as well. I'm hoping we do see some more accessories and cases for the Galaxy Fold 2. I mean, there are some out there, but it's hard to get them right away. You may have to wait a week or 2 weeks. I guess Samsung didn't expect the popularity, or case makers didn't expect the popularity of this device, which I've been enjoying thus far. Leave in the comments below. Let us know if you think it's worth $60, or you rather get something else, or what are you using?